In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin on Changelly. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open up the Changelly website and you want to sign into your account. And to actually be able to send Bitcoin, you must go to the buy section because we're going to buy it and send it to our wallet, okay? So the way you do this is first you want to select what you want to send. So here, I'm just going to do some USD, okay? And we're just going to do 10 USD for now. And I actually want to go, what I want to get is Bitcoin, okay? So here, make sure Bitcoin is selected, and then this is going to give you the approximate amount of Bitcoin you will get for your money's worth of USD, okay? So here you'll be able to see it's going to say pay with, and then you can click on view all offers, and then there's going to be a bunch of different offers, so you can just select the one you want. Of course, there's going to be a bunch of different ones, and it's going to give you the optimal one as well as some other ones, so it's completely up to you which one you want to do. For me, the Revolut is actually optimal right now, so I'm going to click on this one, and then from here you want to click on next step. When you do this here, this is the most important part. You want to type in your destination address for Bitcoin, okay? So this is basically the wallet you're sending your Bitcoin on. So the way we're going to do this is you want to open up your wallet where you want to receive your Bitcoin. For me, I want to do it on my Trust wallet. You can use any wallet you wish. You can do like literally whatever. Just make sure it does support Bitcoin and make sure that you can actually generate a receiving wallet address, okay? So I'm going to use Trust wallet, whatever you're using. You want to find Bitcoin in there. So for me here under crypto, I can see it's Bitcoin. I want to click on that. And here I want to click on receive. Okay, it's going to give me a QR code as well as a wallet address. And if I copy this wallet address here, I can just paste it in here. As you can see, it says only send Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin over here, so that's correct. Copy, paste it in here, and it's going to start verifying. There we go. And then you can just click on next step. Now, if you're interested in the transaction details, you can also read that if you want to. Over here, you can see the rates, etc. And then click on next step over here. And depending on whichever thing you chose, so depending on basically which provider you chose, you'll be prompted to basically sign in into their service and basically make a transaction. So for me, I selected Revolut, which means that if I were to buy this, I would have to use Revolut. But if you use like Transact or something else, you'll have to basically sign into that. So if I show you really quickly over here, if I go back, you can see view all offers. Now, depending on whichever you choose, like Transact, switch here, or maybe like Revolut or Paybis, whichever you choose, it's going to be a bit different, okay? So it's always going to be a bit different no matter which one you do. Just follow your steps on your screen and you'll be good to go. So if I, for example, select Paybis over here, again, it's going to take me to the Paybis website here where I'm likely going to have to sign in. Yeah, there we go. And then I'll be able to make the payment and actually get the transaction through and send Bitcoin on Changelly to my own wallet. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.